Hello everybody, this is Albert Taxman Corey with another edition of Wide Open Up Companies. Who are we? We are Corey & Associates Accounting Services. Since 1985 has assisted small businesses, big business with their accounting needs, income tax needs, building your business, anything to do with business and business related. Corey & Associates has assisted their clients. Today we're going to talk to realtors in the state of Florida. Most realtors, that the Board of Realty, FREC, says that you cannot have a check to any corporation. That is just the way things are with the Florida Department of Real Estate. So now, a few years ago, they said that you can open up a professional organization. Now, what professional organizations are is that how you do it is it's just like a corporation. You can have all the deductions as a corporation. Most of them, you have to put it in your name with PI at the end. I do not recommend you use an LPP, C, or LPP, because opening up on Sunbiz is a nightmare. I did it this year and it was really a nightmare. What you're really going to do, and we're going to show you, is you open up a corporation and then you go out and fill a couple of other papers called 2553, which we'll do in another broadcast. So then you'll be a 1120S. But to everybody else in the world, you'll be a PA. All right? So now that we explained that, if you could please like and share this video, we'd more appreciate it. The more the merrier. We're out there educating us. We also have free consultation. Okay, our free consultation is, sorry, where it is here real quick. Is you can go to Albert at 1040w2.com and email us. Our phone number is 305-823-9228. We're a full service office located 1800 West 68th Street, Suite 118 in Hialeah, Hialeah. Yeah, please like and share this page for us so we can tell the world and show this valuable information, please. Okay, so now we're going to show you. Okay, here's our address again. We're now going to go show you how to open up your own PA and what you need to do. First of all, you got to go to Sunbiz, which is www.sunbiz.org. That's the spot that the state of Florida says start your business in Florida. Okay, now you go here, and then you click the button that says new corporation. And then we click the next one that says File or Incorporate a Florida Corporation. You click this box and we start a new file. The effective date can only be 7 days less than today's date. And by the way, they're open on Saturdays and Sundays. So what's today? Today's the 24th, 2018. Certification copy. This is optional. I always do it because, hey, look, it looks pretty cool. You can, put it on your wall. So this is the name of my company. Okay, sorry, PA. Corporate shares. You can put almost any number here. Now, here's where you got to know, guys. You have to put a real place of business. You cannot use a post office box. However, you can use your house address. So I'm going to put my office address. Oh, another big thing. You can also, if you don't want mail going to your house, go to a Mailbox USA and rent a mailbox there. Okay, the mailing address is the same. So you click this button here. Now you got to put the registered agent, which can be you. You can be, by the way, all the officers. Okay, and now also the registered agent, same thing, cannot have a P.O. box. It must be in the state of Florida. The registered agent, this is where we got to put Albert, Corey, your first name and last name. Everything else, incorporator's name. Now this is important because every year make sure you have the right name and address, because guess what, guys? They're not going to send something out, and incorporator gets very important when you try to open a bank account. Here's another trick that's going to come up. Now, you do not check this box. You have to put, if you're a realtor or you're a dentist. If you're a realtor, oops. Okay. And here's another big tip. The state of Florida, when it comes to the renewals, does not mail you anything out. So I'm going to tell you, as a rule of thumb, dude, do not, make sure you use an email that you use every day, because they're going to email the renewal. They do not mail you anything. Put it in twice. Okay, now you just got to put the president, just Corey, Albert. Hey there, how you doing, Mr.? Please like and share our little video. We're here to help you and train. This is Albert, Taxman Corey. We're out here to train and teach people. Okay, put the address again. Like I said, now you could put a mailbox if you want. Now what's pretty cool, on the next section, you don't have to have vice presidents or presidents. You can be a company of one. They don't care. Now you put continue. Oops, we have the wrong C. You have to be more than 90 days. See what the mistake was. 218. That would help, right? Continue. Now make sure this is correct, because if you have to go change it, it's going to cost you $35 and 10 days to change. So go review it. Click continue. Okay, see, this is giving you the warning up here that you can't change it. And then you click continue here. And credit card payment. Obviously, that this is a dummy exercise, but you click the credit card payment and away you go. Like I said, this is where Albert Corey from Corey & Associates Accounting Services. Since 1985, we've assisted our clients. If you have any questions, if you're on Facebook, like our page. This is some of the videos. We always got videos coming up, training videos. If you like our page, dude, just like me, Albert Corey. See, sorry. There's all my buddies here. Here's our Facebook page. Please like our Facebook page, because every day I put awesome content funny content, serious content. Every day we have content, so you can just add stuff. Oh, and by the way, I like to show people when it ain't bragging, when it's true. You don't have to ask me. Just Google me, Corey Tax Services. Okay, there we are, Corey Tax Services. And you see I got 64 reviews. Now, why this is important? Because I like to show people that we're the real deal. Here, I love my clients. We're here to help you, and we're here every day. Another thing I want to show you, and it's not just there. You can also check this out on Yelp. That I haven't checked Yelp today, but if you go to Yelp, we have 36. Type in Corey Tax. There you go. Ta-da! And we got 36 reviews. Now, how's that, bruh? Nobody else in my space has that many reviews, guys. So we're pretty awesome. We're here. We're here to help you. We're Coin Associates Accounting Services. Every day we're helping people. Every day we're showing people how to build their businesses. We also have awesome accounting services, free consultation. See, to get our free consultation, you just go to our website, and I don't know if you can see it, but we got to move our Facebook friends can see it. This is here in the corner. Sorry. In the corner is where you see, where you can leave your details, and we'll get back to you. We'll get back to my text messages. Believe it or not, guys, if you email me after hours or put an instant message on me, I get it pretty quick. I answer my customers. I love our customers. I just want to thank you. I took this off. I want to thank you. We're Corey Associates Accounting Services. Since 1985, we assisted all our clients. Please like and share this so we can spread the word how we're helping everybody. Thank you, and have a good night. And let me see how to show up. Hey, Facebook friends, we're still live here. Thank you, and have a good night.